Breaking news overnight, the Texas Supreme Court freezing a lower court's ruling that would have allowed a woman to get an emergency abortion. ABC's Elizabeth Schulze joins us now from the Supreme Court in Washington, where it's been nearly 18 months since the high court overturned Roe v. Wade. Elizabeth, good morning.
Good morning to you, Gio. And we have not seen a case like this since the Supreme Court issued its decision on Roe v. Wade back in 1973. In this case, a woman in Texas with severe pregnancy complications is suing the state to allow her to get access to an emergency abortion. And now the state's highest court is weighing in, putting that request on hold. Overnight, a setback for abortion rights advocates. In a first-of-its-kind case, the Texas Supreme Court temporarily blocking 31-year-old Kate Cox from obtaining an emergency abortion. Cox, a mother of two, filed the legal challenge at 20 weeks pregnant. Her doctor saying her fetus has virtually no chance of survival. They warn continuing to carry the pregnancy could jeopardize her health and future fertility.
There's no outcome here, that results in us taking home a healthy baby girl.
On Thursday, a lower court ruled in favor of Cox, granting her request for an emergency abortion despite the state's near total ban. But hours later, Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton appealed the ruling, asking the state's Supreme Court to intervene. Late Friday, it did, putting a temporary hold on the lower court's decision without regard to its merits as it reviews Paxton's appeal. Cox's lawyer saying in a statement overnight, "We are talking about urgent medical care. Kate is already 20 weeks pregnant. This is why people should not need to beg for health care in a court of law."
Many of Ms. Cox's health risks during this pregnancy will put her life in danger if left untreated.
Texas law bans all abortions with narrow exceptions to save the life of the mother or to prevent irreversible damage to a major bodily function. The state, argues Cox, does not meet the criteria.
The plaintiffs have not shown that they will suffer an immediate and irreparable injury.
Now, it's not clear this morning when the Texas Supreme Court will issue its decision, and a ruling in this case only applies to Kate Cox and her pregnancy, not to other women in the state. At least 16 states have passed restrictions banning nearly all abortions since the Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade. Whit.
Another major turn in this case. All right, Elizabeth, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.